You have definitely heard of blockchain tech, but you're still wondering, what does this mean? Now, let me make it simple for you. There are key things you must know to help you understand what blockchain is. Blockchain is a digital system that allows you to record and store information securely and transparently. That means whatever record or entry is being made can't be tempered. I mean, it's there and nobody can manipulate the information. Imagine having a digital book or a digital diary. Now, a book, but it's digital. Now, every member of a class, let's say a class, every member of this class has entrance, like has access to this book. And what it means is, if one person goes in and record a transaction, for instance, oh, I just purchased a brand new car, that information is seen by every other person in that class. And what it means is that nobody can tamper with the information, nobody can go change it, nobody can go manipulate it and say, no, this car wasn't bought for surprise. Everybody sees it, but nobody can tamper with it. One thing about blockchain is the fact that it is centralized. So it means that no single person has the total, control over it. Let's say, for instance, like you're watching my video and you just drop the comments. If I'm not pleased with the comments, I'm really centralized. I could just go there and delete it. Do you understand? But that's not the same with blockchain. Whatever entrance you make, everybody sees it and nobody can go, wipe it off. So you can manipulate it. And to me, I think this is a beautiful thing that will actually help improve life. Let's take for instance the electoral system. A lot of us are looking forward to a kind of system where our vote counts. I mean, if I vote for Mr. A, nobody should manipulate it. Every vote should count, and that's the kind of system that blockchain is. So you see, it's a good thing. Or let's look at the medical field. Patients' information are stored in the system, and wherever they travel to, whatever part of the world they travel to, the information is there. Nobody can pass with it, so everybody knows your medical history, and that makes life so easy. You can track it, and life becomes very easy. That's what blockchain is. It's actually a beautiful thing. However, there are some misconceptions about blockchain. Some persons, when they hear blockchain, the first thing that goes to mind is, Bitcoin, crypto, and all that. Well, cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, they actually make use of blockchain tech, but that doesn't mean blockchain is just crypto. It's just Bitcoin. No, it's just that it makes use of the system. Well, I don't intend for this video to be longer than this, so I'll just wrap it up here. Just let me know if this actually helps your understanding of blockchain. If you have anything you want me to clarify, just follow up on the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.